do I create multi-trigger alerts in Analysis Pipeline? Basic alerts in Analysis Pipeline are created directly from filters using an internal filter building block, or using the thresholding or analysis capabilities of an evaluation building block. It is also possible to generate an alert that indicates multiple preconditions have been met. There are several ways to achieve this behavior. Which way to use will depend on the preconditions and how you choose to structure your configuration files. First, determine the types of preconditions that make up the desired analytic. Analysis Pipeline supports three condition types that it can evaluate. The first is flow characteristics, which are specific values or value ranges for any of the network flow fields, for instance port number, number of packets in the flow, or address ranges. These are specified in filter building blocks. The second condition type is measure thresholds, which are sums, averages, proportions, or counts tracked across flows that occur during a given time window and exceed a specified value. For instance, sum bytes greater than 10,000, or distinct deports greater than 100. These are specified in check threshold sections within evaluation building blocks. The third condition type is special behaviors, which are things like beaconing and communications that have both control and data flows. These are specified in check beacon and check high port check sections also within evaluation building blocks. It is simple to have an alert that requires some flow characteristics and a measure threshold. The analyst just needs to put the flow characteristics in a filter, and then reference that filter in an evaluation containing an appropriate check threshold section. It is also simple to have an alert that requires multiple measure thresholds, as long as the characteristics of the flows that should be checked against the different measure thresholds are the same. In this case, the analyst just needs to put multiple check threshold statements in the same evaluation. It is only slightly more complicated to have an alert when there are multiple measure thresholds, but the flow characteristics for each are different. In this case, we just use multiple filter blocks, multiple evaluation blocks, and a list bundle block to tie them together. Each evaluation would reference the filter that corresponds to the appropriate flow characteristics for the desired check threshold, check beacon, or check high port check section. Each evaluation would create a list with the alerting field. This would usually be one of the IP fields, either SIP, DIP, or the SIP-DIP pair. Then a list bundle block would be created that references each list. As soon as the same field, or field pair or tuple, was in all the lists that are referenced by the list bundle block, Analysis Pipeline will generate an alert. Thank you for watching. For more information about CERT, visit www.cert.org. For more information about Analysis Pipeline or other tools, check out tools.netza.cert.org.